Top 10 Doug. Number 10, Doug the dog. Look at him. Number 9, Chewy the Chewy. Look at his eye. Oh. Number 8, Commando. His ears are really soft and in between. And number 7 is the random crochet dog. He's cool. And this video is owned and operated by Big Penguin. Big Penguin, Big Penguin. And next up we got Croc, the Pitbull Terrier mix. Oh, he's such a good boy. And moving on to number 5, we have Monty. And on to number 4, we have Monty. And on the number 3, we have Monty, or, well, Snoopy. Down to number 2, you guessed it, title text here, Sleepy Monty. Honorable mention, Luke with goggles on. And last but not least, you guessed it, Drawn Monty on the couch. Thanks for watching.